Welcome to my channel SwiftLearn. This tutorial I will show how to display image from database to datagridview using VB.NET Windows Form application. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. This is the database CRUD tutorial DB, and I expand the table user info tab. There the column ID, name, address, city, section, image file, and these are the records in the image file column. You can see this is just location of this image of file folder. Okay, this is the D drive and files, and the image which only location is stored in the database table column. Previous tutorial I have shown how to save image in a specific folder, path to database and retrieve image in VB.NET Windows Form application. I can see it's working just from previous tutorial. This tutorial is display image in datagridview. In that case, first of all, I am just taking a button control, and the text of this button control is next. Okay, this button control I'll use to redirect a new form. In that case, first of all, I'm gonna add a Windows form. Yes, my Windows form form 2. Okay, now I'm gonna change the back color of this form so that it's looking nice, eye soothing. Okay, it's look like green and it's looking nice. Add a datagridview control to display image in datagridview, and it'll add a title, the title label. Change the text of this label control. Display image datagridview. Display image in datagridview. Okay, now go to the form load event. Just double click. I'll write code to display image in datagridview in the form load event using con as SQL connection equal to new SQL connection. Okay, it's displaying an error. We should import system.data.sql client is imported. Now right click on the database, click on property and connection string. Just copy this connection string and paste it in the SQL connection. So this is just how to connect with the database using VB.NET. Now it's connected. Now using add a command using command as a SQL command equal to new SQL command. I'll just write command to display data with image in datagridview. In that case, I just writing command select ID or the column what I'll display in the datagridview control. Select ID, name, sex, image file. I just take 4 column including image file from the user info tab. Now dim SDA as new SQL data adapter, call the command. Okay, now dim dt, I just declaring the data table, dt as new data table. Finally, I am just loading the data adapter in the data table as field dt. Finally, I'll display the data dt data table in datagridview. Datagridview on data source equal to dt. Okay. Now see that ID, name, sex, image file, and I'm just adding column in the datagridview according to the database table column. ID, name, sex, image file, all the textbooks column, but the fig is not textbooks column. This is image column, datagridview image column. Just select the type datagridview image column and click add. Yes, now it's added. Just click on OK. First of all, I'm gonna say the data property name. The data property name is ID, and then the name data property name is name, and sex data property name is sex according to the database table column name, and then fake is fake. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, now it's done. Now go to the button click event and just write code to redirect in the new form 2. Okay, test. Oh, all the records are displaying, but image is not displaying yet. But in the another column, it's displaying the image location only instead of image. So to display image, I have to write some more code. Just follow. After the sd field dt, just write dt.column.add fake what I have written the data property name and get type byte. You cannot place image in datagridview directly. You should convert it to byte. For each 0 as data row in dt.rows. 0, this is dynamic data row. Fake is the data property name in the grid view. Add system.io file dot read all bytes cstr 0. Okay, now it's done. My database table column name is image file, so in the 0 just write image file. Okay, now debug again. Just click on next. Yes, it's displaying image, but image is not displaying perfectly because of our row height is very poor, but image is displaying. Okay, now resize the grid view row height and select image layout as zoom. Click on the picture column and image layout from normal to zoom. Just click on OK, so that the image will display perfectly full image. Increase the row height, row template height is default 22, change it to the 250. Okay, now reload, debug again. Yes, now it's displaying image perfectly, and it's also display full image. Yes, just cross check with the location where the image is stored. See that these are the image in the database table column and the computer drive and your Windows form. Yes, all are displaying perfectly. Okay,